if Ideal didn't offer what it did offer, that I would probably never go into actual construction jobs. And I retired when I was 70 years old as a software engineer. And I was always interested in alternative housing. I went to a couple dome school classes in Hawaii, a course in Texas Hill Country. Well, I originally went to Ideal because I want to build a house that is legal, because the dome homes were not approved except in Hawaii. I came here and I took the whole course, and I was the valedictorian of the school, and they offered me a job as a teacher.
Here.
I have learned a lot about working with different people that are young and people that are a little bit older, like in their 40s, and all walks of life. That's to help me with my comprehension of different peoples and how to interact with them. Life lessons I've learned here is to adapt with different scenarios in life, because actually when you build something, you're building a future, and you're building a future for these other people that are here. I mean, I've had a good run of everything. I'm retired, so I just like to help people along with their lives. That's part of why I'm here. It's fun to me, and it's fun to teach younger people some things that they might not learn in life. We all seem to work together, and that's helping people along.
And then here there's...
Communication is a large part of this job. Ideal has helped me sharpen my communication skills. How's it there? Drill her down. It absolutely would have taken longer somewhere else. If Ideal didn't offer what it did offer, I would probably never go into actual construction jobs. It was something that I was really interested in, because you can't get this concentration, this mix. I mean, we build a house every 2 or 3 months, and it's another house the next time, and another house the next time. There is a mixture of houses that we make, and I don't think working a regular construction job would give me that opportunity to do those kind of things.